As a property developer, I'm always looking for that special something that sets a property apart from the rest. And elevators are an important part of that. Gen360 brings real technological breakthroughs, and I don't mean only IoT. With Gen360, I know I provide a unique level of safety to my partners and customers. Well, you see, I think of elevators as the first port of call, something that sets your whole perception of the building. So I want more than just an elevator. I want technology and all the other details that come with it to outmatch my customers' expectations. I was astonished by the experience that the Gen360 offers. It's also seamless. What's great is that the design of Gen360 is future-proof. Technology is changing fast and easy upgrades are essential. It's in the details, the light, the colors, the sound design, the apps. Everything about it is effortless and elegant. I am always looking at maximizing the value of my property. And with Gen360, I know I am delivering the best services to my customers.